Hi, this is Tammy Baker from Baker Photography. Today I'm going to discuss actions. For those of you who don't know what actions are a way that you can do a shortcut or a repeated task very quickly in Photoshop. I like to use actions if I'm doing a photo shoot and I'm going to be doing the same thing to all my photos, and I don't want to have to keep repeating it to every photo. I can go ahead and create an action, and then I just, with the click of a button, it could do all the steps that I have done previously. So let me go ahead and get into where you can find actions in Photoshop. Right now I'm working in CS5, and if you go up to Window and then see Actions, if you click on that, then it will bring up the Actions palette. Now I keep my Actions palette over here by Layers and History, because it's Layers is a palette that I use a lot, and Actions is a palette I use a lot along with History. So I just have everything right over here, and I don't have to be all over the desktop. Anyway, all you're going to do is you're going to go to Actions. Now in this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save, I'm going to resize this image for the web to put on my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go over here, and I'm going to create a new action. I'm going to title it Landscape for the Web. Okay, and then all I do is I'm going to hit record. And then what I'll do is I'll just come up here, and when I'm going to head to resize it, I'm going to go to Image, Image Size, and for the web it says that it should be 740 by 475. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just make sure it's a little bit littler than that, 475. And there you go. And then that'll be well within the 713 is within the 740. I'm going to keep the resolution at 300. I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to save it to my desktop. File, Save As, and then I'm going to put this, and I'm going to put it, just add web to it so I can keep this JPEG, and by having web on there I know it's a smaller version. Hit Save, and then I want it on the max quality. Hit OK. And then I am going to close the image out, and then I'm going to stop recording. Now if we go down to the bottom, we should be able to see my action. Let's see, right here. There we go. Landscape for the Web. And these are all in the default actions, and these are some actions that I've created and some other actions. So for this picture, this next picture that I have up here, another one from the engagement shoot I did, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, if you see, I've highlighted Landscape for the Web, and now I'm going to hit play, and there it did it. And you can see the difference in time it took from my original time that I was creating that task, as opposed to just the click of a button. So you can see where doing something like this can really save you a lot of time for these tasks that you do over and over and over again, and you just want to find a faster, easier way to do it. So I hope you had enjoyed this video on how to create an action, and I hope you start making some actions of your own. Have a good day.